What if this moment became the moment you stopped chasing and started receiving? Allow yourself to arrive exactly as you are. There is nowhere else you need to be and nothing you need to fix in this moment. Take a slow, gentle breath in and softly breathe out. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face. And let yourself be fully supported. Imagine standing beneath the warm glow of a peaceful sunrise. The sky is painted with soft gold, blush pink, and gentle peach. The air is fresh, calm, and full of possibility. As the morning light touches your heart, notice that it asks nothing of you. It simply shines. Perhaps goodness arrives in the same way. Not through force, but through openness. Nature never rushes. Flowers don't chase the sunshine. They simply bloom. The sunrise never hurries, yet it always arrives. Today, allow yourself to become a little more like nature. Open. Trust. Receive. Imagine your heart as a beautiful garden. Every act of kindness, every lesson, every hope has planted a seed. Now a gentle golden rain begins to fall. Nourishing everything ready to grow. You don't need to make the flowers bloom. You simply allow. Feel that same gentle energy flowing through your life. Opportunities, love, healing, peace, and abundance are quietly making their way toward you. Take a slow breath in and silently say, I am open. As you breathe out, I receive with gratitude. Again, I am open. I receive with gratitude. Now picture yourself walking along a peaceful forest path. Sunlight filters through the trees. And with every step, you feel lighter. Along the path, beautiful gifts begin to appear. A flower for love, a feather for peace, a golden key for new opportunities. You didn't search for them. They simply found you. Maybe life has always been placing quiet blessings in your path. Maybe more are already on their way. Imagine now standing beside a calm lake. In its reflection, you see the person you are becoming. Peaceful, hopeful, grateful, and open to receiving life's goodness. Step into that version of yourself. Feel the quiet confidence within you. gently repeat. I allow good things to find me. I welcome joy with an open heart. I trust life is unfolding beautifully. Love flows easily into my life. Peace lives within me. Every day brings new possibilities. I receive with gratitude. Around you, tiny lights begin to appear, like glowing fireflies. Each one represents a blessing, already making its way toward you. Kindness, healing, opportunities, meaningful connections. Unexpected joy. One by one, they gently settle into your heart, filling you with warmth and hope. Carry this feeling with you today. Notice the small moments. A smile, a kind word, a peaceful breeze, an unexpected opportunity. These are reminders that life is always offering quiet gifts. Walk through your day with an open heart, gentle trust, and grateful eyes. And whenever you remember, simply tell yourself, good things are finding me. I am open. I am grateful. I am ready to receive.